Welcome to OnPrintShop. In templates, we will see create new version and duplicate templates, in which we will see how to create new version of a template or a product master template, how to duplicate templates, how to remove duplicate templates and duplicate templates with resize. Create new version of a template. Go to templates in your admin panel, then go to products templates or product master templates, and then you can create a new version. But before we see how to create a new version of a template, let's understand why we need to create a new version of a template. So for example, in this product master templates, we have this particular template for mousepad. This is a template for a mousepad, but for example, you want this template, the same template in business card. So in that case, you will need to create a new version. So to create a new version, you just go to the particular template, click on action button, click on create new version. Here, first of all, select the user type, then select the product for which you want to create the new version. So we want to create a new version for the standard business card. So here we will select the standard business card, size 2 by 3.5. Now the size of the mousepad and the standard business card are different. So you'll need to resize the template. So for that, activate this resize template button. Then you can select the category and all the details. You can add the title over here. If you want to add the same template to another product also, then you can select that another product or related product which is shown over here. You can select that product. So this template will also be assigned to that particular product. So that is called the duplicate product. After that, just simply select the sort order and click on save and continue. Here you need to design the template. So I'll first of all adjust the image. So after adjusting the image, you can adjust the other properties of the template, like say the text fields. So after adjusting the design of the template, just click on continue. And you can see the new version of the template is created. You can even preview it on the storefront. So now we can see a new version of a template is created for the business card 2 by 3.5. So this is how you can create a new version of a template. Now, how to duplicate a template or how to duplicate the templates. So for that, go to admin panel, templates, and then click on duplicate templates. Here you have three options: add duplicate templates, remove duplicate templates, and duplicate templates with resize. So if you want to add duplicate templates, to add the duplicate templates, when you select the products, both the products should be of the same size. The source product and for the product for which you want to duplicate the template, both the products should be of the same size. Then and only then you will be able to duplicate the templates. So add duplicate templates, select the user type. After selecting the user type, select the product from which you want to duplicate the template. To add the duplicate templates, both the products should be of the same size. The source product from which you want to duplicate the template and the product for which you want to duplicate the template. Then select the product that is called a source product from which you want to duplicate the template. We'll select a product from here. For example, standard business card. I want to duplicate this products template to 16 point business cards. So I'll select this 16 point business card over here. Now you can see the size of the both the products are same. So you can duplicate the template. Now for the business card 16 point on the storefront, let's check which templates are right now available for 16 point, and after that we'll duplicate the template from standard business card to business card 16 point. So on the storefront we'll go to browse design, and you can see right now no record found. So no template is assigned to this particular product. Now from here you can select which templates you want to duplicate, like say PDF block template, master templates or product templates. And after selecting this, just click on save button, and templates have been duplicated successfully. So once again, let's go to the storefront and check the business card 16 point whether the templates are duplicated or not. So we'll go to storefront. Now this is the previous scenario. I will refresh this page, so we'll come to know the templates. So here you can see the templates are duplicated. So all the templates of standard business card are duplicated to business card 16 point. Now suppose I want to remove these duplicate templates from business card 16 points. Then I'll need to go to remove duplicate templates. So I'll select product from here, business card 16 point 3.5 by 2. From here you can select which duplicate templates you want to remove, like say PDF block template, master template or product templates, and then just click on save button. Now click on save button. So duplicate templates have been removed successfully. So as we have removed the duplicate templates, let's check it on storefront. So you can see business card 16 point. Right now these are the available templates. Now when we refresh, you can see the templates are removed. The duplicate templates are removed. Then comes the duplicate templates with resize. I will highly recommend that don't use this option. If you want to duplicate template with resize, then use the option of create new version, which I have shown you before, because in this option it is written that duplicate templates with resize, but here the templates are not duplicated or copied. They are resized and moved from one product to the other product, and once they are moved from one product to the other product, they cannot be reverted back to the original product. So that's why I will not recommend to use this option, but I will show you how you can use it. You can select the template type from here, like say product templates or master templates. Then you can select the product from here for the particular template. That is the source product you can select for the templates. The templates number will be shown over here. Select the new product for which you want to duplicate the template and just click on save button. But I will not recommend this option. Instead, I recommend you use the option of create new version, which I have shown you before. Just go to the particular template, click on action button, create new version, and use the option of resize template from here. So this is how you can create new version and duplicate templates. Thank you for watching this video.